Kolkata laiba Arjikar Medical College and Hospital da postgraduate tambi Dr. Nupi ama yamna tamthina hatkibagi mawongbu yaningdaba fongdokladuna laibak asigi mafam pumnamakta ngasi ayupung taruktagi pung kunmarigi oina sangsiliba medical service lepagi khongjangda Indian Medical Association IMA Manipur State Branch amadi Association of Healthcare Proprietor of India Manipur nasu sarukyaduna state asigi medical service pumba leptuna khongjang changsinkrei khongjang asigi sarukama oina Siza Hospital da Jenims amadi Rims ki MA MSP AHPI IMA JDN amadi IMA MSN RDN sinduna famkiba Wakat Mifam Aduda Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch Secretary Dr.Soram Gautam Nahai Dr. Singda aki-akhang pibagi thouwong chatharakpa asi laibak thibani miroiba amagi lichat chatana PG Maheroya mabutam thina rape tawraga hatpikiba thouwong asi akanba mawongda condemn tawi Thokliba thongdok asi handaki asina ahanba nate mamangdasu tamthiba thongdok kaya ama chathapa laikrei thokliba thongdok asi namshinduna thambagi mahuta maralaiba miyoising ahakpa chairak pigadabani healthcare provider doctor nurse paramedical staff singda chathaduna lakpa violence thokliba kaya asi makhata na thoktanaba apunbagi kholau oma lauminasi pungkun mari ki chathariba withdrawal of services asi miyamgi yenglaga emergency services dialysis na chingbadi adumak thabak pangthokani haiba wafam tham Wakami Famatuda, no more violence in healthcare. Stand for women's safety, safety for doctors, safety for all. Stand with the medical fraternity. Doctors deserve respect, not fear. Violence is not a cure. Haina thaba pleka singsu seasonaki.
The person and they have told that the reports are that some other people are involved and it was a sort of gang rape type of incident. And again, when the family approached the authority to hand over the case to the CBI, again the authorities were reluctant, the police personnel, the police department was reluctant and they asked for 7 days investigation period to be covered by the police department. And the court didn't allow that one and the court gave only 24 hours and during that 24 hours on the night of 15th of August 2024 thousands of people arrived at the hospital. These were unknown people only and they started destroying the evidences, they started beating the doctors protesting out there, the students out there, even the patient parties were beaten.